Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to access and modify your personal dictionary in Google Docs. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Tools tab up at the top, select Spelling and Grammar, and then select where it says Personal Dictionary. So any words you do not want the spelling and grammar check to detect, you want to type it into this add new word field. And then you want to select add. And if you want to delete or allow the spell or grammar checker to detect them once again, you would come back in here and select the trash bin icon to remove any specific words you may have allowed in. And just click on that. And then you can select OK once you're done. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.